No intro, no outro, just straight fire. All right, what's good, trading family? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go over some of the trades, really. Um, just really an update of the trades that I have taken, that I'm currently watching, etc., etc. This is gonna be extremely quick. I'm not really trying to, like bore y'all. But first things first on the retail, this means the start of the week. As you can see, literally the start of the week. Price came, busted my trend line, doing what it's doing. I do project price to buy up to at least this zone or the start of buys. EUR USD did some crazy stuff with CPI. So looking for this to run up 194 pips. Not by the end of this week, obviously, but definitely over time. Um, prices pretty much holding this support. So we'll see how that plays out. Now, in regards to GU, same thing. Earlier this week, I said GU was going to either do one or two things, tank or go up. It tanked, held this level of support, created like a mini head and shoulder, and then did what it needed to do. So right now, I do project that GU is going to keep going up as well, just with really the weakness of the US dollar. Don't really see it selling any further, but we have to be reactive to the market. Um, Now, in regards to UCAD, I said UCAD was going to sell. It didn't sell right away. It positioned itself, rejected off of this level of resistance, and then it just tanked. Like, yo, if you caught this tank from the level of resistance down, like, you ate major key. I do project price to continue down for UCAD, to retest this level of support and potentially break through that level of support and hit this level of resistance. All right, so that was real quick. Real quick for the retail side. Now let's get into the smart money side. Now I'm gonna go through all the trades that I have taken this week. So, and the trades that I'm eyeballing right now. So we had some divergence on the RSI. However, I did catch both of these drops. So this is bad practice. I did not have a take profit. I just kept taking partials on its way down. So when I had some type of sign of reversal, which was at or about right here, this is when I closed both of these positions and I began looking for buys. Now, I lost this trade because I thought that the buy was happening sooner than it was, because I was like willing to pull the trigger due to divergence. But my indications didn't, really line up. There was no order blocks to the right. There was really nothing. So I lost that trade. Also, I lost this trade because same thing. There was no indication. I mean, I drew this up, but as you can see, price blew right through that shit. There was no indication for me to go long, so that was two trades. However, I was able to get in on this one. It did what it needed to do. Price mitigated, and then as of current, which is 10 p.m. Central Time, as you can see, I have my eyeballs. Price came into my 1 hour order block, which is perfect for me. And as you can see, just based off of smart money, it looks like it is consolidating. So I set two buy limits. I set a buy limit for right here and right here. So I want price to come in, do what it does, then shoot up, take out these highs. Really, I really want price to keep going higher just due to the weakness of the US dollar, but we'll see. So I set two pending orders, one right here for buys. We'll see how that plays out throughout the week. It's either going to burn me or it's not, but we'll see. In regards to GU, don't really trade GU like that, but I still mark it up for the sake of y'all. GU did the same thing EU did. I don't see the point in trading GU and EU at the same time, because they do the same exact damn thing, right? So I'm not going to risk double my money taking the same trade when I can just take it on EUR USD, if that makes sense. So GU did the same thing. If you caught GU, you ate as well. GU super liquid, super liquid. So if you want to get it for the buys or position yourself for the buys, then boom, there you go. In regards to UCAD, position yourself for the sells, right? UCAD did what it needed to do. UCAD did what it was supposed to do as well. Price came up, mitigated 50% of this range, and now Price is just boom, headed down, boom, taking out lows, boom. Next low is going to take out is down here, boom, which is where my take profit is. Price has been going super crazy, super crazy. I'm hoping during New York session that, you know, we can get a nice little push, tap me into this pending order, and then see some type of drop. All right, cool. And then something else that I recently added onto my watch list is USDCHF. Now, I have been eating off of USDCHF. Now, when I told my homeboy Larry that I wanted to trade USDCHF, my homegirl Jazz, they're like, bro, why would you do that? Like, you know, it moves crazy. They manipulate it, et cetera, et cetera. That is exactly why I decided to start trading USDCHF, because of the manipulation, because of the liquidation, because of the runs. It's been going crazy. So at the start of the week, this is a trade that I was in, seen a reversal and got out, right? But you see just the potential for it to run just based off of previous price history. Now during CPI, after I got, you know, my change of character, really my change of character was right here. I said, all right, boom, like I know price is going to potentially go down. So as you can see, I had this marked up and I also had an alert set. Price mitigated and then dropped down very, very quickly. So I actually missed this first initial trade. However, during CPI, I doubled back. It was able to clap this one right here. So this was a 1 to 6.65. Though price did not get all the way down to where I wanted it to go for take profit wise, it's cool because I only have to live to trade another day. So while I'm still holding this sell position, you know, I entered in a quick buy position. My charts get crazy. It's sometimes hard for you to see. Though I'm in this sell position, I'm kind of twin trade. I'm hedging right now. I'm in this buy position right here. More than likely going to close out because I'm seeing, if I go down to a lower time frame, you know, some type of consolidation. And consolidation for smart money trader, you know, that's where we make our money. So I'm about to get out of this buy. In the meantime, between time, I also set a buy limit to come back and hopefully re-mitigate where it mitigated earlier or earlier in this week. If it hits it cool. If it doesn't, then cool. But that's just what I have my eye on as well. So you already know, if you got any questions, hit me up on my inbox on Instagram. This is a very, very quick video because I got work to do. But yeah, you got any questions, hit me up. Oh, and last but not least, let me get into the DXY as well. So the DXY, this thing right here, man, listen. This is really what a good chunk of my bias is going off of. You know, I got my breaker structure. That's when the DXY was bullish. When I got my change of character and then my breaker structure, price tore up, re-mitigated, and then shot back down. This is my prime indicator. Okay, boom, like it's price is ready to go. As you can see, DXY gap, it has to come back and fill this gap. I mean, it doesn't have to come back and fill this gap, but you know, just it's the market. But even then, retail wise, like this is just hella rejection, right? For tanks. Smart money rise, we have hella mitigation, like hella consolidation and mitigation. This looks super sloppy, but if you can read the market, you can understand what's about to happen with the DXY. Like I said, again, you got any questions, hit me up. No intro, no outro, just straight fire.